Yes, so I won't greet you now. But one funny thing about this whole drama where they happen for social media, and they look at some of our people who believe say they get audience, plenty audience, but then they misbehave. In the case of the person of what is it called? Ukwan trumpet, and that of his person, colleague, whether they call Osai. Waiting be the narrative where they project concerning this Anioma and our identity. Ned only say we are Igbo. Ned did not say that he's handling Anioma land to Igbo. There are difference between affirming our identity to be Igbo than saying Ned is giving Anioma land to Igbo. This is a wrong narrative. You keep sending wrong message to people. Deceiving the little one that cannot make research on their own. What Ned said on that conference is that it is high time we accept the totality of that our identity. Of course, in case you don't know, what is it called? Okwa the trumpet. You have misled our people too much that you have blinded yourself by biasness. Now, politically, Ukwan is nowhere. Politically, Delta North is nowhere. And we are trying to do something that will help us to regain our stand when it comes to politics and governance. You are there out of envy, out of, what is it called? Bad mind, pushing negative narrative. Ned never said that he's handling Anioma Delta North to Igbo. What he only said is that it is the right time we affirm our true identity. And for example, if Anioma state is created, mind you, it is created for the people of Anioma, the indigenes of Anioma. Anioma will produce her governor within the Anioma. Anioma will produce her senator, her state of assembly, house of assembly members, state of assembly, federal house of assembly, and so on and so forth. By the Aniomans, Anambra man is not coming to contest within that Anioma. But you are making our people to see it differently because of who is paying you to discredit Ned effort. But you have actually failed woefully because somebody like me and others who are in their right frame of mind actually understand that all these games you are playing is nothing but politics. But you are playing it at the detriment of the general public of Anioma, which is very bad. It is very bad. It is very bad. Let us call a spade a spade. So, Anioma Bundibo. Ned is not taking Anioma to Ndibo. So, this is a true narrative. And there's something I actually want you to understand here. There is difference between Igbo and Southeast. Southeast is a geographical location whereby a government puts together for an identification. But Igbo, Bundi, Igbo is an identity. You should understand this and understand it very well. Let us not change the narrative. We are Igbos. I am from a Kalan. And I'm telling you nothing but the truth. You cannot change what the Lord has made to be. This is our time to take that mantle. This is our time to regain everything that we've lost. Somebody like Ukwan the trumpet cannot truncate the movement. You will try, but definitely you have failed already. Until I come your way again, go to the market and buy sense. If your money is not complete, come to me. I will lend you some money so that you can complete that amount. Thank you.